How to connect Mi TV remote in mobile. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your mobile, go to Play Store and search for Xiaomi Mi TV remote. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure you install this in your mobile phone. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. If you open the app, simply click on middle circle on the remote on your phone and show it to the screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on connect. Then it will show you finding the TV. In your TV, you'll find device pairing request. You'll find this kind of code pop up. After that, in your mobile phone, you'll find please enter PIN option. In there, simply enter your PIN that is shown on your TV, and then your problem will be fixed. That's how to connect Mi TV remote in mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.